Hello, everybody, and welcome to the next daily recap with the Dada's Trading System or Dada's Trading System Daily Recap. Today is Tuesday, the 3rd of November. How time flies, right? Anyways, so let's go over what happened today on the DAX 30 and how I was trading. First of all, let's switch off the background. Okay, now we can see clearly right here we have the monthly and the weekly Dada's pivot right here. It's obviously the prices on the bullish side, and the daily Dada's pivot right here. Also on the price was on the bullish side from the very beginning. So basically it went up during the Asian session, then consolidated a bit, so it went sideways. On the opening of the London session, it made a little bit of a pullback and then started going up. Then made a little bit of pullback, and then basically this whole area was sideways, and then it made a new higher high, a new high, pulled back again, and by the end of the day made a new high, a new daily high. Altogether 394 about pips in the daily range. Now, was this market very comfortable to trade? Well, I don't know. In the beginning, in the morning when I joined the market, it was pretty obvious, at least to me. I went in long, even though I did realize that the market was already kind of gone right here, kind of already moving. But I thought to myself something like this, right? Not necessarily so far, something like this, and that's when I entered it. Of course, you see my take profit level was right there. Perhaps my I don't remember where my stop loss level was. Yeah, it was right here. Yeah, exactly right here. Okay, so that's where my stop loss level was. Now the price started moving up, and in the beginning I think I had something over 25 pips or maybe around 20 pips, and then the price started moving back down. So I thought to myself that 15 pips is enough. So I took 15 pips. Now what happened right here? Now, I realized that I basically should have left this in this. I mean, left the Dada's grid ruler in this way. Then I wouldn't probably have any doubts about the support level right here. But I didn't. I waited for the signal, and there was a signal, so I decided that the price would be going. I decided to jump in short right here. The price did give me some profit. I mean, yeah, I had some profit right here. It was like even 10 pips profit, but I didn't take it, and the price, yes, that was the idea. I didn't take the profit, and the price turned around, started going up. I think I got out of it a bit too late. I should have got out of it a bit earlier. As soon as this signal appeared, I should have done this when this signal appeared, got out of it, and then turned around. But yeah, I did turn around at 100 lots, and I was, that's what I always do. I see profit, I close it. I closed it. I didn't get much, but I did recover the loss and made profit. Now, yeah, I should have turned around, like I said, this way, and then yeah. But what I did after this, I have some chores right now outside the house, so That's where I stopped trading and I went out to do my chores. It took me a couple of hours, and then when I came back, mm, again I thought to myself, well, this is a good moment to go short. Just that, not because of any signals yet, but just because that's the way it looked. Uh, there was a signal. It appeared later on. So basically, this second short right here was the one that I was supposed to take instead of the first one that I took. And that's because of this reason right here. So yeah, something like that, because of this reason. And what happened right here is that the price again, the price refused to go down, even though it did for a moment. I closed it at 5.8 pips loss, turned around at 100 and took 1.3 pips, which is quite a lot more than this loss. Now what happened right here is that I failed to close the trade when it was in profit. Now it's not exactly measuring the right way right now because of the difference in the spread right now. But when the spread was lower, the take profit was actually right there. So yeah, because that was a little bit lower. So the reason why I lost this one is because I put my take profit too far, and I failed to close the trade when it was in profit. I could have taken 15 pips right here easily, but I didn't. Right? I mean, the maximum was over 20 pips, so I could have taken 15 pips right here. So I didn't. I turned around at 100, recovered my losses, and then the price. I mean, this was a pretty clear. Sorry. This was a pretty clear situation. This one, where the price went down and then it returned. A pretty clear price action, which showed that the market is rather going up, not down. So that's why I repeated here a position at 10 lots. But the market, you see, the market went up and then came back down. That's why I got out of it. Okay. Now, after this price action right here, I decided to go long again. This time again there was this price action that I was in profit even a little bit more, and then I trailed my stop loss over here, and the price started falling down. For one moment I was at only 11 pips profit, but the price jumped back up, so I closed about 15 pips profit. Then you see what happened. Then the market went up and made a new high, and now the market has just bounced off, and and we'll see what's gonna happen during the last 30 minutes of the day. Okay, so that's it for today. Now, am I really satisfied with this trading today? Well, not really. No, not really. I mean, my goal was to avoid all those losses, right? And unfortunately, I had 3 losses today, so that kind of lowered my Kelly criterion a little bit. In the morning, I was at 1.42. I ended the day at 1.38, and that's simply showing me that I'm doing something wrong, right? I mean, or I'm not doing it in a perfectly correct way. Okay, so yeah. What else could I have done today? like I said, I was trading the M15. I could have been looking at the M5 today because the market was pretty much in the character that it would be good to look at the M5, right? Here on the M5, I could have done this, of course, if I had been here on the market. If not, then I had an opportunity right here, and we see clearly that this was the same level of support, right? So basically, there was no reason here to trade any shorts. I should have been trading only longs on signals. So in other words, I could have used my other ruler to measure out the supports, right? And then I could have used this ruler to do the trades, right? Or here, right? Another opportunity maybe here even. No, here wouldn't be so good, but yeah. Anyways, and here's another one. Yeah, I mean it's not a good idea to trade at these levels where the price has already broken out. There is, broken out relatively strong. It's better to trade it when it breaks out or signals just at these levels, right? So yeah, so I could have had a trade even here, right? Even here, this trade would have been a good one. This trade right here would have been a good one, even though not a lot of pips. And this trade right here would have been a good one, even though not a lot of pips, right? And then the next thing to do after the price broke that level, right? So after the price broke that level, I should have done something like this, and then traded long, maybe right here, right? Traded long right here, and that's it for that moment. Then we had another consolidation. The consolidation was like at the beginning was right here, right? So yeah, here was one of these. Well, that was the trade that I basically, well, yeah, not exactly. I went in short right here, but this would have been a trade that I could have lost, right? So this would have been the trade that I could have taken, and I could have lost that one. Something bugging me. A bug. Okay, yeah, right. So this would have been a potentially lost trade, but that would have been only one lost trade and not two lost trades. Yeah, and then we can clearly see what happened. I mean, the consolidation simply became a bit wider until here, and then we have a break right here, and that would have been a perfect break to trade, basically. Or otherwise, yeah, I mean that would have been a perfect trade break to trade, or this one right here, because it's at the bottom and not at the top, right? Understand? So those would have been the situations to trade. So yeah. So like I say, well, everything is okay. Everything is going well with the trading, but I'm just not satisfied with my effects. I'm not satisfied with what I'm doing. Well, let's try to make it better tomorrow. Okay, so thanks a lot for today. Please join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions. I stream live every day on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and you can watch those trades as I'm taking them live. Of course, you are welcome to talk to me or simply text me, and we will have some conversation. Yeah. Also, every day I make these daily recaps and I post them also on my YouTube channel, of course. So please like, please subscribe if you already haven't. Hit the notification bell. And I also post my daily videos on daily recap videos on my Forex Factory trades. On my Forex Factory threads, and also on Patreon. Now, I also do Saturday videos. On Saturday, I do the weekly overviews. So if you don't have time to watch every day, you can watch it once a week. That will be a weekly overview, so you'll see all the trades of the whole week. And those videos are also posted on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server and everywhere else. But however, on Sundays I do a longer video. Last Sunday, so the day before yesterday, I did a Sunday video in English called Sunday with DTS, and that was an over 3-hour long film. Now those videos are more precise. They talk about my strategy, they talk about my tools and how to use them. So last Sunday I did the analysis on gold on the monthly charts, and I showed how to use my tools in that context. Of course, I'm going to do I do these videos in English every second Sunday, and every other Sunday I do them in Polish. So the coming Sunday will be in Polish, and I don't yet have an idea which instrument and which time frame I'm going to discuss, but I'll pick up something, or perhaps I'll just do the same gold monthly, only in Polish. Okay, now how do those Sunday videos, like other videos that I also have available, are not available to everybody. They are only available to my VIPs, and you can become my VIP on the Dadas Trading Room Discord server by joining or by supporting me either through Patreon or by supporting me through my PayPal directly. So both links are below in the descriptions. Of course, those videos are not the only benefits you get by becoming my Patreon and patron, or supporting me directly through PayPal. If you stick around long enough, I simply sum up all the monthly pledges, and then you can exchange them for whatever you like, either live trading with me, or one-on-one personal live trading, or workshops or coaching, or indicators, expert advisors, or even you can accumulate enough to get my whole system together with all the instructions. Yeah, so thanks a lot for today. Again, please be careful, stay safe, wash your hands, wear your masks, and see you next time. Bye.